Hi, welcome back to the Bag 40. It's Juju. And I have my Junk Journal January, day number 24, fabric. And this is what I did for day 24. I just took a lot of different fabric, little scrap pieces, and lace and ribbon, and I just sewed it on this cardstock. Made a quilt-like pattern and put some washi tape across the top because it is a pocket, and some ribbon down the side, and then made a tag to go in the pocket. And I'm not going to show the tag. That's a little personal for today. And then I also add some feathers for personal reasons today. And then I carried it on to the back, and I have the fabric I just brought over to the back, and then put the little girl and dolls on this side, and then carried it over to this page with another pocket and another little girl and butterfly on this side. And that is my day for today. All right. I hope y'all having a good time. I love you. See you on the next go round.